Alright, here we go. Got the Barnes Vortex. These are coming out at, let me see here, 1,025 feet per second. And they're 200 grain. And we're shooting out about 50 yards. Just going to show the group and show the group and the feet per second on these. Just seeing what the difference is going through the Rossi survival rifle. It's a 16-inch barrel. So y'all stick around and see how it goes down. Alright, got an error on the feet. $13.27. $13.27 again. Consistently consistent. I'll rush that shot because I'm looking at the, I don't think it's changing speed. Alright, we're at 13.27. I'm assuming the little green demon just had a brain fart. So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot again, get the feet per second, see what it shows up on here. $11.06. Okay. I'm gonna turn it off and do one more. 1,086. So that 13.27 was the oddball. That sucks. I wish that would have been the norm. But 13, we got 11. We're hanging right around 1,100 feet per second. There you go. Camera died that was recording the chrono, so that's that last shot. So we're still hanging around the 1,100 feet per second still. All right, here you go. We're doing pretty good at 50 yards. I mean, I'm digging it. Right here, this was the one, because when I took the first shot, it was right here. And then the second shot was down here. So did that, one of these, you know, to find out. And then did the extra shots to find out with the chrono. So we're hanging around basically all right in there. I mean, if you take out the flyer, that's roughly, let me see, that's a 3-inch circle. A little over 3-inch group for a 45 Colt at 50 yards shooting through the Rossi survival rifle. That's not bad for a group right there. I mean, that's been one of my, definitely one of my better groups with factory ammo. And that's the Barnes Vortex. So here you go, overall. Shooting, I mean, there was that 13.27, then the chrono got boogered up, so that's a green demon. They tend to do what they do when they want to do it. So anyways, I'm gonna go with the 11 with the other two. Turned it off, turned it up back on in between to make sure it was clearing out, and roughly hitting, you call it 1,100 feet. Box is shooting you know, 1,000, 1025. Not sure what the barrel length on those are. So I mean, for the speed, that's nice. For the grouping, that's pretty good too. So I mean, so far it's a win. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is probably going to be my hunting ammo for that rifle, because I definitely like the groups. That's the biggest thing right there, is I like the groups. So that'll work. Thanks for watching. Bohemian Hunting Club, Hawaii.